only a short distance away from the busy streets of Pattaya. There is a completely different world, a place with clear blue water, white sand beaches, and a much slower rhythm of life. This is Koh Lan, also known as Coral Island, and for many people visiting Pattaya, this island becomes the perfect escape from the chaos of the city. Pattaya is famous for its nightlife, traffic, loud music, and non-stop energy. Millions of tourists come here every year looking for entertainment and excitement. But sometimes, you need a break from all of that. And that is exactly why so many people take the short boat ride across the sea to Koh Lan. The island is located only about 7 kilometers from Pattaya Beach, and yet the difference feels enormous. Within around 30 to 45 minutes by ferry or speedboat, the atmosphere changes completely. The noise of the city slowly disappears behind you. The skyline becomes smaller, and in front of you appears a tropical island surrounded by turquoise water. The first thing most people notice when arriving at Koh Lan is how clear the water is compared to Pattaya. The beaches here are known for soft white sand and calm ocean water, making the island popular for swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing in the sun. Some beaches are lively with restaurants, beach chairs, and water sports. Others feel quiet and peaceful, almost hidden away from the crowds. One of the most popular beaches on the island is Tawin Beach, a long stretch of sand filled with small cafes, seafood restaurants, and colorful boats parked near the shore. But if you explore further around the island, you can also find smaller beaches with a much calmer atmosphere. And that is part of the beauty of Koh Lan. You can choose your own pace. Some visitors come here for adventure, jet skiing, parasailing, banana boats, and diving. Others simply come to do absolutely nothing, to sit under a palm tree, listen to the waves, and enjoy the feeling of escaping city life for a while. The island itself is relatively small, and many tourists rent scooters to explore it. As you drive through the hills, you pass small villages, local restaurants, tropical viewpoints, and hidden beaches surrounded by nature. And despite being so close to Pattaya, Koh Lan feels far away from modern city pressure. Life moves slower here. The air feels cleaner. The ocean breeze replaces the smell of traffic and nightlife, and for many travelers, this is the side of Thailand they were hoping to find. A tropical island paradise that still feels relaxed and natural. As the sun begins to set, many visitors return back to Pattaya, back to the bright lights and busy streets. But after spending a day on Koh Lan, you understand why so many people fall in love with this island. Because sometimes the best part of traveling is finding places that help you slow down, and Koh Lan does exactly that. A small island just off the coast of Pattaya, where the noise disappears, the water turns crystal clear, and Thailand suddenly feels peaceful again. Thanks so much for watching and being part of the journey. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one. See you in the next video.
Everything's gonna be alright.